Good evening. Welcome to my midweek Apple recap and plan for the end of the week. Quickly, I'm going to go over the losing trades I've taken this week. Price action did come up and hit my levels of resistance, and as such, I took my trades as I had planned out, took my losses when they failed, and moved on. First trade was 23 February 160 puts at 302, out at 261 once it broke above and held above. Tuesday, took two trades. Got in some 162.5 puts as it looked like price action was going to break down below VWAP. Held at it, so I took half off at 164. The other half 152 once the high of the day was broken. Later on in the day, the 164.70 level, which was the monthly breakdown, I was looking for a trade versus that level. So I took some 165 puts right here. Got a little early entry right there at 520. Probably could have been a little bit more patient, but I liked this inside candle setup that it did break down below. Just did not follow through to the downside. Held those overnight. Looked like it was going to gap down and start running down. And the algos, the bulls, whoever had other plans. So once price action broke above the opening range here on Wednesday, closed out half the position at 485, let the other half just kind of linger around, maybe looking for a possible rollover. The other level I was looking at was this 165. It was 75 at the time, the 21 EMA resistance. So as you can see, once price action did break above there and hold above there, that was my ultimate level to get out of that position and take the loss. So price action is now above the 8 and 21 period moving averages again. So as such, I will now be bullish again. Would have been nice to have been bullish from down here at 150, but that's just not the way I was trading. So live and learn, move forward, and create new plans. It's the life of a trader. Now what I will be looking for is a pullback here into the 21 EMA right around 166 for possibly some 165 call entry. Maybe even deeper pullback down here to the 8 EMA at around 163.20. Now there was some news that came out after hours that Berkshire has now increased their stake and they've increased their dividend, I believe. So this here's the reaction to that. It's now up another, I'll call it almost $2, dollar and a half in the after hour. So we'll see what happens tomorrow as far as when the actual participants do start taking positions in the trade. If it gaps up and has a decent amount of strength, I have no problem going ahead and chasing with a call entry, maybe based on the 5 or 15-minute time frame, depending on what it looks like after the open. So right now, that's going to be my trade plan for Thursday morning. We'll see what happens. Have a good evening and good luck.